Good morning, students. Mm, Today's topic is comparison in standard form. To compare numbers with which are in standard form, first the numbers with greater power of 10 is greater, and second, if the powers of 10 are equal in both numbers, then compare their significance. The number with greater significance is greater. For example, number 4, see in example number 4, compare the following numbers: 2.7 into 10 to the power 12, and next number is 1.5 into 10 to the power 8. Now first we have to see the power of 10 is 12, power of 10 is 8, so power of 10 in this case is greater than power of 10 in this case, so 2.7 into 10 to the power 12 is greater than 1.5 into 10 to the power 8. Now we have in this second part is 3.547 into 10 to the power 9. Next number is 6.02 into 10 to the power 9. In this case power of 10 is same, so we have to compare the significance. So significance of this is 3.547 and significance of this is 6.02. Now 6.02 is greater than 3.14, so 3.547 into 10 to the power 9 is less than 6.02 into 10 to the power 9. Now numbers in expanded form. Now next example is write the following numbers in expanded exponential form. Example 5, first part is 30546. We have to first 3 into 1 2 3 4, 10,000, plus 0 into 1000, plus 5 into 100, plus place value of 3 is 10,000, 5 is 500, and 4 is 40. 4 into 10 plus 6 into 10 to the power 0. So now 3, or you can write 6 into 1, 3 into 1000 or 10,000, plus 0 plus 500 plus 40 plus 6 into 10 to the power 0. So we can write it 3 into 10 to the power 4 plus 5 into 10 to the power 2 plus 4 into 10 to the power 1 plus 6 into 10 to the power 0. Now second part is 7609154. Now that is equal to 7 into 2 3 4 5 6 plus 6 into 1 2 3 4 5 plus 0 into 1 2 3 4 plus 9 into 1 2 3 plus 1 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 4 into 1. That is, we can directly write that 7 into 10 to the power 6 plus 6 into 10 to the power 5 plus 9 into 10 to the power 3, because 0 multiplied 1000 is 0, plus 1 into 10 to the power 2 plus 5 into 10 to the power 1 plus 4 into 10 to the power 0. Now next example is example number 6. Example of find the number from each of the following standard form. That is, first part is 8 into 10 to the power 4 plus 6 into 10 to the power 3 plus 4 into 10 to the power 1 plus 5 into 10 to the power 0. That is equal 8,000 plus 80,000 plus 6,000 plus 40 plus 5 into 1. Now it becomes 8, 6, 0, 4 and 5. Second part is 9 into 10 to the power 5 plus 2 into 10 to the power 2 plus 3 into 10 to the power 1. So it becomes 9 into 4, 5 plus 2 into 100 plus 3 into 10. That is 90.9 lakh plus 200 plus 30. Now number become 900,230. Thank you. Now exercise 4.3 is your homework.